Back to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy you're here. Today, before I start my last daily challenge, I thought I'd show you the pieces that I was working on this week and how they dried. And this is the first one. I did have quite a bit of a challenge with this one. It took me about 3 times to get it just right, but I do love the way it looks. It dried beautifully. And the next one was a total fail. And I had to wipe it completely, but then I decided to paint over it, and because it kind of looked like a beach to me, and I played along with that, and yeah, I think this one looks really great too. Let me know your thoughts. And then the last one is this one, which are all metallics, and I really love working with them because they give so much shine and sparkle. And I had originally oriented it horizontally, but I turned it, and you could see that there's an outline of a butterfly here. Isn't that nice? Oops, right here. You can see kind of a butterfly shape, and I just love that. So when it gets framed, I'm gonna frame it vertically. Anyway, today I'm gonna be working on the last of the 11 by 14s, and I'm gonna be working with gold, red, and orange. So it's gonna be vibrant. Let's see what happens. I forgot to show you this one, and it's a beauty too. So this is how it dried. Again, 11 by 14, and again, this one took me a couple times to make it just right, but I love this chartreusey color here, and the details and cells and lacing that I got. I love it. So sorry about that. The painting turned out just beautifully. I was so happy with this. The colors blended so well, so many details, the lacing and the cells, the orange popping through. It's just beautiful. The gold really stands out on this, and I just love it. Click on the link you see now to see more of my fluid pours. Here are the colors that I used: a 24 karat gold, the Americana Alizarin Crimson. This is the Amsterdam Acrylic, yes, acrylic, and it is vermilion. And that was a beautiful color. Those 3 worked well. I used water and some Floetrol 2-to-1, a little bit of water, and you got that beautiful, beautiful painting. Here it is one more time. Just love the vibrancy of the vermilion in this. Just gorgeous.